All right, guys, this is gonna be trade of the day formation right here on gold. So I'm watching everything. I'm watching NQ, just choppy, bro. I do not like how the 15 is forming here. I do not want to take a trade here. SPX, same thing. Really, yesterday I was looking at the price action. It was really nice to dump. I just wasn't able to find anything there because the move just started up here. We never stopped until like PM session. Just wasn't able to do that. Gold, I'm looking at gold right now. We have a daily BISI, 4-hour bullish BPR, 1-hour BISI being respected. We have another on here also. And then we might form 1-hour CRT here if we close above here. Market start to move higher and target that. 15-minute time frame. We have a 15-minute CB, but we also have one here. I want to see this get inverse. Respect the 1-hour PDRA. Yeah, and then close for a 1-hour CRT above here, and then eventually target higher prices. And then form another 15-minute CRT here somewhere like this. Retrace it into here, and then we go up higher. That'll be pretty much really it. So that's pretty much it. If we don't take anything, I'll just do a market review again. So and that'll be pretty much really it. So yeah, I was looking at entering here, but I just realized it's not really worth it. It's not really worth it because then, you know, we'd rather wait for the confirmation, like I said, on the 15 here. And we can simply wait for that. We can have an inversion form on the 2-minute or 3-minute here, bounce off with the 3-minute BISI, simply just chop around here and wait, and then eventually start to push up higher, target some form of higher prices, or maybe we just simply bounce and I miss my entry. It's either one of the two scenarios here, and I don't want to miss that. Again, I'm not really worried, you know what I'm saying? Like the market can come back down, retrace, and then move higher. It's not going to simply leave you behind. But again, here we formed that 1-hour CRT. That's another thing. So let's go over this again. 4-hour bullish BPR, 1-hour CRT forms. This candle right here is now going to likely push us up higher. 15-minute inversion or inversion probably up there. You got to retrace. 3-minute BISI holding. 1-minute time from now. We have a 1-minute SIBI. If we make this inverse, but again, I don't want to get FOMO. This is another thing, you know, like I feel like I'm waiting for too much confirmation, especially on the 15 here. After delivering back into here, I think I should have just took my entry, but I'm waiting for that confirmation. And again, the stop loss would have been kind of bigger than usual. Putting the stop down here, right around here, the rejection block low. Now, if I was to take the trade, I would probably put it right here. But again, on the 3-minute, we can easily retrace back up into here. We don't have to move. You know, I'm really just taking my time here. Maybe we form a breaker here. Maybe we come back down. Maybe something like this happens. Maybe we come back down, form a breaker, push up higher, close, something like that. You know, we sweep this low. And then again, that's kind of why I don't want to be entering here. Because if I was to enter, as soon as this being too emotional now, I just need to simply just let go a little bit, let loose a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, just let loose, chill. Like this trade is A+. Even if I take it right now, the take profit isn't going to be too high. You know what I'm saying? The take profit isn't going to be too high. Even if I enter right now, take profit is simply just up here, but like you're acting like we're not going to hit that. You know what I'm saying? Like we're going to hit that. Swear too, bro. The take profit is way closer than the stop. If we make this inverse, actually, I'll enter and then I'll leave my stop loss down here. Because then we can come back down, form something on the 3-minute or something, then push. I don't want to get FOMO. That's another thing. That's kind of what I'm thinking about. All right, this was more of an impulsive trade. This, I cannot have it there, so I got to move it somewhere else. All right, seems ideal there. 1-minute inversion is not whoa, stuff yet to tap up into it. Profit target is up here. Let's go to the 15. Where is that at? Past the 15-minute CB at the 15-minute high right here. Stop loss is at the 5-minute. Fair value up. No, 15-minute CRT never formed. 15-minute inversion respected. Now we're simply just going to let the trade run. I'm going to zoom out for you guys right here like that. You simply walk away. I know I'm going to get too emotional if I try to hold this trade. Even right here, I'll probably get too emotional. All I'm going to do now is simply walk away. Once this is it, I'm going to move my stop to break even. So I'll be back later. Just to move stop to break even. I won't close the trade early this time. Let it run. Let it do its thing. Hate seeing the red. I'm not even gonna cap with you. Don't like this. Do not like how this market is moving right now, bro. I just want to see the profit target be hit, bro. Deep breath in. We're still on phase 1. This trade does not matter if we win or lose. We're still on phase 1. We have to understand that even if we lose this account right here, we're still on phase 1. We can just buy another account and we'll still be on phase 1. Even though you just don't have a 15-minute CRT, which is fine here because you just weren't able to form it on the 15. It was a little bit of a FOMO entry. Your original entry could have been down here. It would have probably hit your profit target, but trade isn't bad either right now. You know, like the entry wasn't bad. It just was at an unideal area, but the market will move in your direction. We'll hit the 50%. You can probably go to stop to break even after that. Simply being patient, just waiting. Again, you're still on phase 1. Still on phase 1. I'm not gonna move the stops until we hit that high up there. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. I don't really care about the outcome right now. Even though I could have done better with the entry, it is what it is at this point. You know, like there isn't any going back. I entered. I put this amount of risk on. Simply just submitting to the time now. Do anything. I'm just gonna let the time lapse happen. I'm gonna end this video. I'm recording another one. All right, guys. So the trade took an L. I know you saw the recording. Again, just not following my rules, not following my game plan, being emotional, entering emotionally. That's basically what happened here. And I'm gonna learn from this. This was an emotional trade. I'm just gonna show you guys honestly. So we're gonna talk about this again. We're gonna review it real quick. I'm gonna journal it. I'm gonna have my Notion ready. But 4-hour bullish BPR, 1 hour CRT, and a 1 hour BISI. And then the 15, we failed to have a 15-minute CRT here. Here it did form it right there, but this third candle just didn't open up and move higher. And then on the 3-minute, we just had no entry for this candle right here after this one formed right here. And you can see that there on the 3-minute, we just never formed anything to enter. Even on the 1-minute, I believe. Maybe the 1-minute did have an entry right here for this little small fair value gap, but then in there, I just would not want to enter there. Again, the trade wasn't bad. The trade wasn't bad. It just simply was an emotional entry, especially all the way up here. Entering off of the 1-minute inversion, feeling like we got FOMO. I think we should have had this 15-minute. Hold on, let me check real quick. Let's check on this 15-minute. If we right there, 1-minute time frame. Suppose we did enter here off of this one little small fair value gap. We enter there. Where would our stop loss be? My stop would have to be right here. Again, it wouldn't be too big of a stop loss. It would be ideal. Targeting this right here to break even. Targeting this right here for our profit target, and we just got stopped out. Not bad, not bad. But now all I plan on doing really is just working on my risk management. I think one trade should not be able to blow the account here again, even when we were in profit. I think this was a very emotional trade, and especially just like risking so much in one trade, I feel like we should just be able to do that, like especially if we're going to blow an account in one trade, don't do that. I want to be simply trading, with good amount of risk, but also having a decent amount, like where we don't blow the account. So again, that's all I really plan on doing for the next, account, which I plan on getting soon, like I plan on getting another account really soon, following my rules, following my game plan this time, and not entering whenever we have like a good trade, not entering so much with so much risk. I feel like that's kind of another thing, like we get super emotional just due to the risk. So in order to combat that, just risking at least, like not least, but like risking like a good amount, like 1 to 2% per trade idea, and then just trying to be consistent. I feel like we're not aiming for consistency, we're aiming for home runs. Like that's basically really it though. So that's pretty much really it. Just gonna get another one right now, gonna get another account, review these trades, analyze, see what I can do better, and just continue to just do what I do. So yeah, peace.